you this, but the cost of everything has really gone up over the past couple of years.
So that includes one unavoidable expense for anybody who drives a car: auto insurance. Our Steve Wolford joins us live with a look at some of the reasons for that and what, if anything, we can do about it. Steve?
Yeah, Dana, Latoya, if we can say anything good about the COVID lockdowns, during that time, auto insurance rates hit about a 5-year low, basically because we couldn't go anywhere. That is not the case anymore. In fact, you'd be hard-pressed to find anybody who saw their auto insurance rates go down over the past 2 or 3 years.
It's just been going high, really high, and it's just too much. So that's why I had to put it under my dad in order for me to afford my insurance.
Adrian Garcia feels the pain. So does DeAndre Matthews.
Robbing us.
He earns his living behind the wheel.
Come on, man. Insurance is killing us right now.
And his brother Julian isn't happy either.
If I'm paying insurance on my vehicle for 20 years, no accidents or anything, where's all this money going?
According to my sources in the local insurance industry, that money is going to cover more litigation between insurance companies and accident attorneys, higher costs for parts and labor, and more claims being filed. But in Texas, the state attorney general found another reason. Ken Paxton is suing one of his state's biggest insurance companies for allegedly violating Texas privacy laws by collecting location data from numerous apps on the mobile phones of millions of drivers without their permission, then using it to justify hitting them with higher insurance premiums. UNLV cybersecurity expert Dr. Greg Moody says most of us don't even realize many of our apps are gathering our travel data, where we're going, how fast we're traveling, and do it with our own consent.
Most of them, if they have a terms and conditions that you agree to, particularly then you agree to it and then different notifications pop up and says, do you want to allow access to these things? And when you say yes, that means you're doubling down that, yeah, they can have this type of access. Any app can get access to any data on your phone because it's installed, it sits on the operating system collects all that data.
So is that happening here? Well, I took that issue to the Nevada Insurance Commissioner. His office says that companies in Nevada are not permitted to do that kind of thing in the Silver State. Any attempt to do so would require permission and full disclosure to consumers. I also did a poll on X, kind of interesting. 78% of the people who responded said that their rates had gone up significantly or had become unaffordable over the last 2 years. Only 4% of the people who responded said their car insurance rates went down. Reporting live, Steve Wolford, News 3. Dana, Latoya.
I'm surprised it was 4% that it went down. All right, Steve, so thank you.
I want to meet those people.
Right, me too, and find out how they did it. So we did a little digging today to find out where Nevada stacks up against other states in terms of the cost for car insurance. And according to Forbes, we're right in the middle of the pack. Vermont and North Carolina are on the cheaper end of the scale for full coverage, between $1,200 and $1,400 a year. Here in Nevada, full coverage averages about $2,500 a year. And on the more expensive end, Louisiana has the highest rates with $3,700 a year, followed by California and Florida.
Coming up.